This is your territory, young dragon. And you alone are responsible for the magical creatures living within it. From the centaur herds of Highbridge Park to the floor of the secret leprechaun stock exchange. From the gargoyle nest on top of the Empire State Building to the mermaids of the East River.
Hey, kid, if you can make it here, you'll make it anywhere. You know what I mean?
No problem. I am totally on.
But first, you must master your dragon training one step at a time. Even a young falcon must stand before it can fly.
Check this out, G. Dragon up, yo! Wow! I'm not only ready to fly, I'm ready to soar. Represent! Woohoo! Yeah! Bad dudes beware, because the American dragon is in the house! Yeah! Yeah! Ah! I'm cool, no problem. Could you guys, a little help down here?
He's cool, he's hot like a frozen sun. He's young and fast, he's the chosen one. People are not bragging. He's the American dragon. He's gonna stop his enemies with his dragon power. Dragon teeth, dragon tail, burning dragon fire. Real live wire, American dragon.
Dragon up.
American dragon. He's the American dragon. Right now with the dragon. Skills are getting faster with Grandpa the Master. It's destiny. Walk up to it's showtime, baby, for the legacy. American dragon.
From the J to the A to the K to the E. I'm the Mac Daddy Dragon of the NYC. You heard?
Jake, get back to work!
Aw, man.
We dragons are creatures of immense magical power. But to unlock your potential, you must keep training and master the fundamentals. Dragon fire, dragon teeth, dragon tongue, dragon claw, dragon tail.
Ha! Right. Yo, I'm all over it, Grandpa.
And a dragon student must obey his dragon master without question or hesitation.
Totally. I'm all about obeying. Whatever you say, whenever you say it.
Oh, bleh! Blue cheese with a touch of sweat sock. It's the huntsman. I'd know that foot stink anywhere.
The huntsman? You sure, Foo Dog? What's he doing here?
Ah, you tell us, young one. Huntsman's footprints head north-south on the night of a full moon.
He's hunting unicorns.
Bada bingo! Give the kid a prize.
Ah, yes. Unicorn horns. Always a valuable commodity on the magical black market.
What's going down? Are we gonna crack open a can of Smack Daddy on this huntsman here, or what?
Not we. You.
Me? As in alone? Solo?
I will not be around forever. It's time you put your dragon training to the test.
Right. Put my mad skizzles to the test. I'm all over it.
Hey, make it good, kid. I'm calling Ernie and laying 50 biscuits on you. Hey, Big Ernie! It's food! I need to make a bet.
Now, give him dragon fire.
Taste my dragon breath, dirtball. Sorry, my bad, guys. Whoa! Hot chicks, hot chicks, hot chicks!
Dragon.
Huh? Oh, come on, dragon up! Oh, dragon up! Oh, now would be nice!
Say goodbye, dragon.
Whoa!